Hey, welcome back to Franz and Forge YouTube. I'm just going to do a little quickie. I'm going to show you what I do when I'm hot cutting, and I use my Ironworker to hot cut. Then I haven't got to rely on anyone else. I can hot cut on my own and it's not ripping my arm off. But have a look at this and I'll show you. It's a snatty little sneaky trick. I'll keep showing you different bits that'll help you. So it's a universal Ironworker. It's Kingsland, made in Norfolk, on the coast at Sheringham. I think it's 85 ton, that one. Anything you stick through them holes, it'll cut off. Now normally they're a sheet metal machine, but if the blacksmiths use them and you tell them they're for thick plate, they make the blade tolerances about 1 mil apart so you can cut thick stuff. So in the machine there's a guillotine on the bottom, there's a notcher on that end, and then on here there's a facility for cutting angle, and any stock bar you put through there it'll cut. On this end it should be for punching, but I've set it up. Now what I've done, I've set it up on a mild steel block, and there's stops inside here you can set so it's just coming down, or there is enough power to drive that chisel right through the bed. So you just set it up so it's just touching. Look, there's stops in there, micro switches. And I use it for hot cutting. I'm not saying many people do it. You won't do it on a mechanical Ironworker because you can't regulate the stroke. It's got to be a hydraulic one, but like I say, this is 85 tons. So if you have a look at my old induction heater here, I'll heat something up. Now I still hot cut in the power hammer. I'll do that another time. But we had two of us here and you're slogging your guts out trying to cut through with a hot set and a big hammer. All I do on there, it's so easy. But you must keep your bar hot. Oh, what the hell, the hammer's here. I'm just making some wall plates for somebody. Now during the week all I use is induction. I hardly ever light a coal fire now. All I do is light them when I'm teaching. It's induction all week because it's so efficient, it's so quick. It's on when you want it and off when you don't. It's not burning away fuel. It's a bit harsh in the winter when you're freezing your backside off because you don't get a lot of heat off of there. Now come over here, look. What I'll do, I'll cool this end off because that's heating my armour. I don't normally wear gloves when I'm working, but I do when I'm doing these in case you accidentally touch off it. Also, with a lot of induction heating, it's quite energy efficient, but you're also environmentally friendly. As long as you're generating the electric nicely, it's saving all them fossil fuel fumes going up into the atmosphere. So we sort of do what we can. But as you can see, it's so quick and so efficient. Traditional splitting. So, oh dear. Don't breathe fumes in. So I hope that helps people. Anyone's welcome. If everyone's ever in the area where we are and you want to come and try one of these out and have a look, you're more than welcome. I'll sell them. Or if you want to try any power hammers out and you're in the area, just call in and see us. You always get a nice welcome and we'll have a laugh with you. Thank you very much. I'll see you again.